Fix XRecorder screen record sound problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today's without any delay. Let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of XRecorder application on your device over here. As you can see, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So all we're going to do is go back and then make a long press on XRecorder application, then tap on app info. Now as you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear cache and tap on OK. If possible, you can delete all data. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options. After you do that, you can just launch the XRecorder application on your device over here. As you do that, you can just continue to your app and tap on settings at the bottom of the screen. Now as you tap on settings, tap on the audio settings at the top of the screen and then here select on microphone. Now here you can see the volume is at 110%. So you should generally set it to 100% so that you have a great voice or sound over here while recording. Next, you can toggle on the noise reduction option. And after that, you can just go and record and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.